Beautiful. Show you the next side. It's all about Jamaican farmers that. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out, alright?
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to another episode, Jamaican Farmers Hut. In today's video, it's all about tomato, my viewers. Yeah, give you an update on the tomato. So stick around. If you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stick around. I'm speechless. I'm speechless, my viewers. I'm speechless. Can't move yet. I have to stay here for a little while and look around, see what's going on with these 9 plants of tomato. My viewers, look. Beautiful. Beautiful sign of tomato. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's been a while. Upload a video from the greenhouse, but trust me. Awesome look here. Alright? Amazing. As you can see, we also have turned tomato here. Yeah? Yeah? This is nature, my viewers. Nature, my viewers. It's all about the 9 plants of tomato here. Looking wonderful. Looking wonderful, my viewers. Looking so wonderful. Yeah? Looking so wonderful, my viewers. Yeah. This is looking beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, DRD tomato. Hybrids. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Look on this little tree here. Yeah. Start to bear. Still have one blossom, but over here, my viewers. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just right here. Very, very beautiful with these tomato here. Can't leave the spot yet. I'm speechless. Going on the other side to show you what's going on, guys. Whoa, look here. Whoa, beautiful. On the wings of tomato. Alright. Whoa, magnificent. My viewers, magnificent. 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 Let me show you something here. Look at this bunch. Look at this bunch here. Wow. Beautiful. Show you the next side. Yeah, my viewers. This is the next side. This is the next side. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful, my viewers. Beautiful, as you can see. Beautiful. Moving very slowly. Beautiful. This is the beauty of tomato, right? And don't forget to check out my next channel in the description, alright? It is down there below in the description. My next channel. Alright, my viewers. But at this time, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out, alright? Yes, my viewers. Yeah, nice, beautiful. Want to say shout out to Sheena's live. Yeah, yeah, Sheena, big up. Yeah. Want to say big up to Self Care also. Yeah. Mr. and Mrs. Bull Cow, big up. Yeah, wonderful channel. All right, my viewers, you can check out those channels. Very, very interesting channel, you know. If you want to grow your channel, you check out those channels. Sheena's Live and Self Care and Mr. and Mrs. Bull Cow. Beautiful. Secret Black also. There's a lot more, but I have to check back to get the name correctly. All right. Yes, my viewers, it's all about tomato. Yeah, you can check my next laughing channel, Laugh and Relationship TV. If you want to laugh all your worries away, you can check that out. All right. You know, Laugh and Relationship TV is designed for couple. When I say couple, I mean two people, wife and husband. You know, lovers. All right. Yeah. You can sit back, relax, hold your favorite drink, and laugh your worries away. Laugh and Relationship TV. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Beautiful. You hear that sound, that burst sound a while ago? I'm stepping on sweet pepper on the ground here. Show you what's going on. Yeah, my viewers, I'm stepping on pepper here. Beautiful. 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 Don't forget to check out my next young channel. Yeah. Nature of Life TV. Yeah. It's all about nature of life. Herbs and all those things is there. So you can go and check it out. You know. What the health benefit is on that channel. Nature of Life TV. Alright. And you know my regular channel. Ever Slick Media. Yeah, that's my channel where I put up most of the things them that I do. Alright. Ever Slick Media. Yeah. But right as at this time, Jamaican Farmers Hut, we are on these tomato here. Beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, my viewers. Whole heap of tomato. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Tomato. It's all about plant something. You understand? As you can see here, behind me here, yeah, these are the card to do the chalicing and the bell peppers and the tomato. You understand? Yeah. These are the card that we use to chalice, to hold the pepper and the tomato up. Alright? I'm gonna show you. Stick around. Yeah. Yeah, these are the same card that hold the pepper. So while the pepper is growing, yeah, keep on chalicing, wind it around, right up. You understand? Yeah. The same thing with the tomato here. It's the same car that chalice the tomato to keep it up. As you can see, all the cards. Alright? It's all about chalicing. Yeah. And as you can see, as you look on the plants and you can look right through the bottom here, it's all about pruning. It's all about pruning. When you prune the pepper, you get more bearing. Yeah. So the fruit much bigger because you cut off some of the excess branches off the plant to let the rest grow that have on the fruit on it. You know what I mean? It's all about pruning. So yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut, when you visit this channel, it's all about you learn to plant something. You know what I mean? And once you plant something, you have something to put inside the kitchen. You don't have to go to the market. It cut your expense from going to the market. Alright? Jamaican Farmers Hut. If you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Peace. One love, my viewers.